Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got a brand new product from GoPro. This is the GoPro Hero, and today we're going to unbox it and show you what comes inside. So, if we lean it forward here, there is a little tab on the bottom that you just kind of pull, and we'll throw that off to the side. And then from there, you've got, let's see here. There's a little, kind of like a ring that you can fit your fingers through there and just sort of pull everything out. Okay, and then on the back, it shows you a little guide on how to actually remove the camera from the top. And we're going to bypass that for right now and show you what comes inside. So we'll open this up, and first thing we see is a little reference on how to get the camera in and out of the case, as well as telling us to download the GoPro app. Next up, we've got some GoPro stickers. And lastly, we have some important product and safety instructions, so you can file those in your fun to read pile. And next, we'll open this up, and here we've got some of the accessories. So it looks like we've got a battery. Take a quick look at that. We've got the battery there, and we've got a curved adhesive mount. We've got a flat adhesive mount, and a USB cable, USB Type-C, just like some of the other new GoPros that we've seen. And we'll set those off to the side, and nothing else in the box. So now we'll get back to these instructions. On the top here, it's telling us here we're gonna have to lift up this tab on the top and then kind of squeeze these together, and that'll slide right through hopefully. So we'll give that a try. Pinch those, and that comes right off. So there we are. And then we've also got the buckle as well, and that is the camera. So now this one is pretty cool because it hits a really good price point. We're at $199 on this, and you get the 2-inch touchscreen that we see on some of the other models, as well as a nice big lens here, and then we've got the single button here on the top for control. And let's see here, we've got our power button on the side. So it's a familiar design, so people will be able to get used to this camera really quickly, so that's nice. We got a little LCD display here on the front, and as we open this up, we can take a quick look at the battery compartment as well. So we'll just slide the camera out, and then underneath is your battery compartment. So pretty straightforward design. It's easy to use, it looks like. You get that nice 2-inch touchscreen on the back. It does shoot, we've got some specs on the side of the box here. It does shoot in 1440p or 1080p at 60 frames. So you're gonna be able to get some great pictures, some great video on this. It does shoot a 10 megapixel still picture as well. So a lot of great features in this and a really nice price point. And that's the brand new GoPro Hero. Make sure you guys stay tuned. We certainly appreciate you checking out our video, as always, and remember to subscribe so you get updates every time we post new content.